may come a time when you want to change the style guides, the color style and the text styles that you set up. I like to set up a style guide at the beginning of a project so I have all my colors easily available. I have all my fonts available in the sizes that I'm going to want them, so I can apply them easily. But sometimes things that look great on my style guide don't work as well when I come to the design. And I think, oh, you know what? The font size on this menu text is really too large. Now, I don't want to have to go in and, I mean, I could click on each one. I could detach that from the style and change the, so what I could, detach that and then make it a little bit smaller, let's say 48. But that's a lot of work to do. The whole reason we used styles, a text style, is so that we could change everything at once that is applied in that style. So here, if I take I have my home here, my home selected, and I want to actually, um, I want to, I want to edit this. I could double click on this, what's applied, the menu text, come down here, and these little handles here, edit style. And now I can look at this dialog box and I could, from here, I could change the size. Let's just say I want to go to 44. And it will automatically change not only my style, but it will also change it everywhere else in my project. So that's why I use the style guide, and I can edit it. Just remember, when you edit it in the style guide, it will change every iteration of it, not just one. If you ever want to only do one, we wouldn't edit the text style. Instead, I would come here. Again, I would detach the text style and then I could edit it. But to edit that actual, so I'm just going to do some undos there because I didn't want that editing to happen. So uh, here again, click here, click there, and put in what you want here that's different. And you'll save a lot of time if you need to.